how to book a flight in trip.com. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to trip.com through the Chrome browser in your mobile device. After that, you will land on the official web page of trip.com, or else you can also continue with the Trip application in your mobile device by simply downloading it from your Google Play Store. Now from here, there you will get an option as flights. So simply tap on that button. Then you will be taken to next page. Here you have to select your location from where you want to book your flight to your destination. So first of all, tap on from, and here you have to select your departure cities. After that, select your destination as well by tapping on this to section from this interface. After that, you get to select the date as well, and under that you get to select the class or type of the flight. You can either go with economy or premium economy. So according to you, select the class of the flight. You can also select economy, premium economy, business first, business or first. So according to your preferences, go with the one that you will like, and after that tap on search. Here all the flights will be loaded up on your interface, so you can select any one of them according to your time schedule or your preferences. Here all the flights will be loaded with their price along with. Now select the file that now you have to select the flight that you prefer. After that, tap on continue. Now if you scroll down a bit, there you will get a recommended price and class, so you can select any one from there. After that, you have to fill in the form. You have to provide your password or your identity. So scan your password and then simply fill in the form, type in your name, type in your last name, and all the form or all the details right here. After that, tap on continue, and with that you have booked a flight on trip.com. So that's how you book a flight on trip.com, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.